Salaki, my phone started acting up, so the video has stopped. This is an example of a winnowing fan. Now, what they're doing is they're throwing up the wheat and the chaff. What happens is the wind is going to blow, and when the wind blows, the wind blows away the lighter chaff as the wheat falls down to the ground. Let's give you another image. Here's another example of a winnowing fan. It looks kind of different than the previous video, but it's still the same action, same act, same action. And here's another version of a winnowing fan. It's smaller. See the woman right here, standing up on top of that stool, right here in front of you on the left side of the screen. All right. So we are not to winnow with every wind. So those are examples of winnowing fans. Throwing up the wheat and the chaff into the air. And what happens is, when the wind blows, it blows away the lighter chaff and the wheat falls down to the ground. So, but we are not to winnow with every wind. In other words, we are not to go into every wind of doctrine. Okay, we are not to go into every wind of doctrine. Every path. Alright? And that's what happens, man. People are not assured of the things that I learned. And any type of new doctrine that arises, they go into it. One guy was in the camp years ago. I think it was South Carolina. The dude got all bugged out because of the whole house of consciousness stuff. That's when we was going at it with the house of consciousness. And the dude got all bugged out behind all of that. Dude just got bugged out. So running out with every wind and going out into every way, see? Don't go into every path. For so doeth the sinner that has a double tongue. There you go. That's what the person that has a double tongue does. They say one thing, but they do another. So we're not supposed to go one way and then go into another way. We're supposed to stay on this one path. There's scriptures. This truth is Bible. The wisdom, knowledge, understanding of how about Shema Shah. So we're supposed to be steadfast in our beliefs, man, and not swayed or influenced by another way. Let me get a scripture on it. 1 Corinthians 15:58. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be ye steadfast, unmovable. So you're supposed to be steadfast, unmovable, unlike the chaff that's thrown into the air. When the chaff is thrown into the air by the winnowing fan, the wind blows it away. It blows it away. It's not grounded like how the wheat will fall to the ground because it's heavier. The wind will blow away the lighter chaff. So we're supposed to be grounded, rooted, settled, steadfast, and unmovable. What does the word steadfast mean?
Strong's G 1476. Hedraios.
Hedraios. All right.